Exploring the city with ease. Understanding City Pass. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into a very useful phrase for travelers and English learners alike. City Pass. This term can be a game changer for those exploring new cities. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and give you some tips on how to make the most out of a city pass. So, let's get started. A city pass is essentially a tourist ticket that allows you to access multiple attractions and forms of public transport in a city, often at a discounted rate. It's like a golden key that unlocks various doors to museums, galleries, historical sites, and sometimes even includes public transportation. City passes are particularly popular in major tourist destinations around the world. One of the main advantages of a city pass is cost savings. When you add up the individual entrance fees for various attractions, a city pass often comes out cheaper. But it's not just about saving money, it's also about convenience and time saving. With a city pass, you can skip the long ticket lines at popular spots, which gives you more time to enjoy your sightseeing. Using a city pass is generally straightforward. After purchasing the pass, you either receive a physical card or a digital code. To enter an attraction or use public transport, you simply present your pass. However, some attractions might require a prior reservation, even with a city pass. So, it's always good to check in advance. To truly make the most out of your city pass, plan your itinerary around the attractions included in the pass. Start early in the day to cover as many places as possible. Also, check if there are any special deals or additional discounts included with the pass. Sometimes, you can get discounts at restaurants or for special events. A city pass can be a fantastic way to explore a city, offering both convenience and value. We hope this video helps you understand how a city pass works and how it can enhance your travel experience. Happy traveling and keep learning! See you in the next video.